All right, let's try this again. Hey, I just want to make a quick video on something that you guys need to get done this week. But first, I want to say thank you for the students that are watching my videos and getting the information that they need for the course. And the reason why I make videos instead of typing you messages is because my videos is going to tend to be shorter than my messages. Right, and I know that with myself, if the email or the message are too long, I don't tend to want to read it. And if it comes from an administrator, then obviously I have to read it, so I tend to read those. However, when it's a long email, I know I do not like to read them. I figure that you guys would be the same. I would rather prefer a video so I can just listen to it, even if it's in the car. At least I can listen to it, get what I need to get out of it, and then I can always go back to say, hey, did they really say this or that, right? So that's the reason why I make those videos, is for that reason. Because I'm guessing if you get a long message from me, you're probably going to be like, okay, this is just going to take forever, so I'm not even going to bother reading them. So that's the reason why I make videos. All right, so I hope that you guys can appreciate that. I know that sometimes you guys are at work and you receive the video and you're like, oh, I can't listen to it right now because I'm at work. That's certainly fine. You can always do it after work, when you wake up in the morning, or whenever it's convenient for you, but at least you watch the video. So thank you for the ones that have been. For the ones that haven't, I hope that you do. All right. In fact, go back to some of the past ones. All right. So next thing for this week, if you go to week 3, what I have done is brought over the Proctorio syllabus quiz. And this was something that was supposed to be done in week 1, that I know 4 of you guys did do this on week 1. All right. And I apologize. However, what is happening is that I'm not getting the videos back from Proctorio. This is not your fault, nor is it my fault. This is all Proctorio, is a Proctorio issue. And so I want you guys to understand that part. Okay. So I'm asking you to either take it or to retake it. So I'm making a list here, and you guys can see on the screen, obviously, because you got their screen shared here. And let me see here. Now, to take the Proctorio quiz, you do need an external webcam, which is what I have in my office right here. Your calculator, a whiteboard with dry erase marker, and an eraser. Now, if you want to use just like a paper towel as your eraser, that's certainly fine. Just make sure you show in the video, look, I don't have anything written on there. All right, that's certainly fine. Some of you guys use your sleeve on your long sleeve shirt. That's certainly fine. Make sure you brush it off after you get done with the exam. Obviously, you need your hands and your head, because those also need to be in that frame of the camera. So everything that you're bringing, including your hands and your head, should be in that frame of what the camera can see. Okay. Let me see. Now, if you do not have a webcam yet, or you're not planning on buying one, there is a couple of things you guys can do. One is that you can visit one of the Proctorio rooms on campus. There is Proctorio room here on Collier. There's Proctorio rooms at Lee. There's Proctorio rooms in Port Charlotte's campus, and there's also Proctorio rooms at Henry Glades. All right, those you can find at fsw.edu/online/testing. All right, and you can find all of those locations. All right, if you do that, you still got to bring the other 3 things, which is your calculator, a whiteboard with dry erase marker and eraser, your hand and your head as well. However, those cameras are probably set up pretty well as also. Okay, and if you do have external webcam, please do not secure it into a certain location where you can't reach it, because you're going to have to move the camera around during one of the things there, where if you go to a Proctorio room, you won't have to do a room scan, so you won't have to take that off the tripod or wherever it's on and scan it around. You do not need to do that. Proctorio room is manned and secure, and also under surveillance so that you don't need to do a room scan, but you do need to make sure that everything else is in there. The second choice is to actually come into one of my classes while they're taking the exam, and taking the exam during that time. But I'm guessing that you're online because you work during the time that I'm giving the exams. So that's certainly up to you guys. So I guess I should put down here at somewhere down here when my classes are. The exam is going to be on Wednesday, and it is either at 8 a.m. So it's going to be Wednesday, in this case, the 27th. So Wednesday, January 27th at 8 a.m. or at 12 noon or at 2 p.m. Okay, so those are the times, and it is in room N103. Okay, so I'll put that on the bottom here. So anyways, let me see what else is there. Where am I going? Where was I? There we go. All right, so the Proctorio quiz is actually a prerequisite for exam 1. So without the Proctorio syllabus quiz done, you won't be able to take exam 1. Okay, and this Proctorio quiz is right now due on the 23rd, which is Saturday at 6 p.m. So please get it done. After you get it done, let me know that you got it done. And then I will look at it. I'll write in the comments either that you're good to go, you'll actually see that you're good to go, or you're going to see me typing up a bunch of notes of, hey, this is what I need to see, or you might even get a link for me to like speak it to you. Because if I can write it within like 1 or 2 sentences, I'm just going to write it to you. But if it's going to be more of a description and showing how to do certain things, then I'm going to have to do that and do a video instead. So if there's a bunch of things wrong with it, then I'm going to just have you redo the whole thing. So you have to go back in here, hit Proctorio syllabus quiz and take it again, do all the room scan and set up the camera again to make sure it's right. All right. So make sure that that gets done. And then once I type in you're good to go, that means I will go in and I'll add your name to exam 1 so that you can actually take it at home or at one of the Proctorio rooms. All right. But if you're going to just take it here live with me at 8 a.m., noon, or 2 p.m. on January 27th, then the Proctorio quiz is only if you're going to take it at home. So if you don't have the Proctorio quiz done, you can't take any of the exams at home. All right, until that is done and you get it, you're good to go. Now, if you don't take exam 1, there is 2 choices, right? So the 2 choices would be, I shouldn't say if you don't take the exam 1. If you don't take exam 1, there's only 1 choice. But if you come to my classroom and take exam 1, then you took exam 1. So if you don't take exam 1, you really only have 1 choice. So I shouldn't have put down 2 choices. That would be, you can take a missed exam for exam 1, which would be your 1 missed exam, your only 1 missed exam, and that will get replaced by the final exam grade. All right, so now it means that if this exam 1 is your missed exam, that means exam 2, exam 3, exam 4, you cannot miss. All right, the good news about that is the Proctorio and syllabus quiz will be extended to right before those quizzes open so that you can actually take those quizzes at home. All right, because if not, your name won't be put on there and you won't be able to take it. All right, so hopefully that is the case. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me and we'll Zoom and we'll get everything set up. And if you look on the syllabus, the Proctorio syllabus quiz is actually a attendance verification piece as well that everybody but 4 people took it. So you got, like I said, you have till Saturday the 23rd at 6 p.m. to finish this quiz. Now, again, I would say assume the worst, right, and hope for the best. So I would tell you not to wait until Saturday to get it done, because then by the time I reply to you, you are going to be stuck and you won't be able to take exam 1. Okay, so I would tell you to plan ahead, do one tonight, and then hopefully this way I can get back to you tomorrow, right? So basically I do not reply to anybody after 6 p.m. So if you do it tonight after 6 p.m., you won't get a reply from me tonight. You'll get a reply to me tomorrow. All right. So all of that, again, just so that you guys understand that that is what's going on, and that you guys need to take this in order for you to take exam 1. All right. Again, if you have any questions, please message me, please contact me so that I can Zoom with you and clear things up that you need clarification for. All right. Hey, great talking to you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.